Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, June 13th, and this is my analysis for gold. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, I got the 4 hour time frame zoomed out quite a bit because I do still see this as a possible wave X. So if we do get a very solid turn, which we definitely don't have yet, like a big engulfing move to the downside is what we need to see at a Fibonacci level. If we see that, then I definitely think at that point we should start looking for sorts. The problem with that analysis, like I've been saying all week long, is that the monthly, weekly, daily time frame is all up. What does that mean? That means that this potentially may not make that engulfing move, but instead may just continue to go up and up and up and up. It may even go all the way up and make new highs, all-time highs. So definitely be aware and very cautious of any sorting opportunities. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, every single higher time frame is in an uptrend. That means that if I see a move to the downside on any of these sort of time frames, like the 1 hour and below, you kind of need to assume that the move down is potentially just a pullback within the higher time frame uptrend. So I definitely would be looking for three-way pullbacks, potentially maybe throw my Fibonacci retracement on here, look for three-way pullbacks, look for Fibonacci bounces, and look for more entries to go long, potentially for the continuation of the uptrend, especially 1, 2, three-way pullbacks, 1, 2, three-way pullbacks, 1, 2, three-way pullbacks, 1, 2, three-way pullbacks, and 1, 2, three-way pullbacks is exactly what I would be continuing to look for on these sort of time frames, at least until the higher time frames tell me to start looking for shorts, which they definitely have not done so yet. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.